If you are looking for the best VR headset for immersive gaming, entertainment, and virtual reality experiences, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best VR headsets available right now. These headsets are chosen based on resolution, tracking performance, comfort, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Feebs 3D VR Headset for Kids 2.0 plus Android Remote for iPhone and Android phones with 3D VR videos and apps. Links Virtual Reality Goggles Set for Beginners. This virtual reality headset is designed as an entry-level option for kids and beginners who want to experience VR using a smartphone. It works with both iPhone and Android phones, making it accessible for a wide range of users without needing a dedicated gaming console. The headset features a lightweight design that fits comfortably on smaller heads. Adjustable straps help distribute weight evenly, allowing kids to use it for longer sessions without discomfort. The soft face padding adds comfort while also helping block outside light for better immersion. Included 3D VR video and app links make it easy to get started right away. These links guide users to beginner-friendly VR experiences, reducing setup confusion for parents and kids. The Android Remote allows basic navigation and control inside compatible apps, improving usability compared to headsets without controllers. The lenses are adjustable to help align with different eye distances, improving image clarity. This feature is important for younger users who may experience discomfort with fixed lenses. Visual quality depends on the smartphone used, but the headset provides a solid introduction to virtual reality. This VR headset works well for casual entertainment, educational videos, and simple VR games. It is best suited for kids who are new to VR and want a safe and affordable way to explore virtual environments using a phone they already own. Number 2. MetaQuest 3S 128GB VR headset, 33% more memory, 2x graphical processing power, virtual reality without wires, exclusive Gorilla Tag bundle and instant access to 40+ games. This standalone VR headset delivers a fully wireless virtual reality experience without the need for a phone or computer. With 128GB of storage, it provides more space for games, apps, and downloadable content, allowing users to keep multiple experiences installed at once. The headset offers significantly improved graphical performance with increased processing power. This results in smoother visuals, faster loading times, and more detailed virtual environments. Games and apps feel more responsive, enhancing immersion during gameplay. The wireless design allows complete freedom of movement. Users can walk, turn, and interact naturally without worrying about cables. Built-in tracking ensures accurate movement detection, making it suitable for gaming, fitness, and interactive experiences. Instant access to a large library of games and apps adds strong value. The included bundle and preloaded content allow users to start playing immediately. The headset supports popular titles and ongoing updates from the VR ecosystem. Comfort improvements and refined controls make longer sessions more manageable. This headset is suitable for teens and adults looking for high-quality standalone VR performance. It works well for gaming, social VR, fitness, and immersive entertainment without additional hardware. Number 3. DTEC V5 VR Headset for Kids with VR Gamepad, 128 premium VR apps included, anti-blue eyes protected HD lenses, 110 degrees FOV virtual reality headsets for iPhone, Android phone. Black. This smartphone-based VR headset focuses on comfort, eye protection, and immersive viewing. It supports both iPhone and Android devices, making it a flexible option for families with multiple phones. Anti-blue light HD lenses are designed to reduce eye strain during extended use. These lenses maintain image clarity while offering added visual comfort, especially important for younger users. The 110-degree field of view enhances immersion by expanding peripheral vision. This helps virtual environments feel more realistic and engaging compared to narrower viewing angles. An included VR gamepad allows better interaction within compatible apps. It improves navigation, movement, and gameplay control, creating a more immersive experience than basic phone viewers. Adjustable head straps and lens positioning help achieve a personalized fit. The headset stays secure during use while remaining comfortable for longer sessions. Access to a large selection of VR apps provides entertainment and educational options. This headset works well for kids and beginners who want more features without moving to a full standalone VR system. An included VR gamepad allows better interaction within compatible apps. It improves navigation, movement, and gameplay control, creating a more immersive experience than basic phone viewers. Adjustable head straps and lens positioning help achieve a personalized fit. The headset stays secure during use while remaining comfortable for longer sessions. Access to a large selection of VR apps provides entertainment and educational options. This headset works well for kids and beginners who want more features without moving to a full standalone VR system. Number 4. HeroMask VR Headset Language Games, gift for kids 5 to 12, 300 plus words, 6 languages, Spanish, English, Chinese and more. Award-winning virtual reality educational toy for birthday or Christmas. This educational VR headset is designed specifically for kids ages 5 to 12. It focuses on language learning through interactive virtual reality games rather than traditional entertainment content. The system teaches over 300 words across 6 languages, including English, Spanish, and Chinese. Kids learn through movement, visual cues, and repetition, which helps improve memory and engagement compared to screen-based learning. The headset is lightweight and designed for smaller heads. Simple controls allow kids to navigate lessons easily without frustration. The immersive format helps children stay focused while learning new vocabulary. Language games are structured to encourage exploration and reward progress. This keeps kids motivated and interested over time. Parents can use it as a supplemental learning tool alongside school education. This VR headset is ideal for parents looking for an educational gift that combines technology with learning. It works well for home use and supports early language development through interactive play. The headset is lightweight and sized for smaller heads. Controls are simple and intuitive, allowing kids to navigate lessons independently. Games encourage exploration and reward progress, reinforcing learning outcomes. Parents can use it as a supplemental educational tool at home. This product works well as an educational gift that combines technology with meaningful learning. Number 5. Charging dock for MetaQuest 3 VR headset/controllers with light, magnetic fast charging station for MetaQuest 3 accessories with 2 rechargeable batteries and USB-C cable. This charging dock is designed to keep the MetaQuest 3 headset and controllers powered and organized. It provides a dedicated storage solution that reduces clutter while ensuring devices are always ready for use. Magnetic fast charging allows the headset and controllers to align easily with the charging contacts. This simplifies the charging process and eliminates the need to plug in cables manually each time. The dock includes 2 rechargeable batteries for the controllers, replacing disposable batteries. This adds long-term convenience and reduces ongoing battery costs. The included USB-C cable supports fast and stable charging. Built-in lighting provides visual confirmation of charging status. This helps users quickly check whether devices are charging or fully powered. The compact design fits well on desks or entertainment centers. This charging dock is ideal for MetaQuest 3 owners who want a clean and efficient charging setup. It helps protect accessories, extend battery life, and keep VR gear organized between sessions. That's our list of the top 5 best VR headsets. Each headset offers unique features depending on your gaming style and VR needs. You can find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.